Hello everyone. Start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side and then tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself as such and then tighten it. At the base, tie a low ponytail, then add another rubber band in the middle section of it. Now using this middle section, roll the hair in on itself through this section. Once you have done this, take the bottom section of the hair and then braid it. Once you are done braiding it, roll it upwards, pull it through the upper base rubber band and then put it in place. Make a bun out of it and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin in order to do so. Adjust the hair accordingly, slightly loosen the braid of this part and then add a decorative pin at the top of it all. Next, we will start off by taking three sections out of the hair, make a braid out of the hair, roll it upwards, tie it up towards the right side. Use multiple pins in order to fasten it in its place as such. We have used these flower decorations. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Taking the remaining portion of the hair, make two sections out of it, wrap it around the first section and then tie it up in place. Roll the hair in on itself, join all of the hair together on the bottom, braid it, pin it up at the top. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie a low ponytail out of the hair. After this, add another section of the hair to the middle. Now, push the hair upwards and then add a clip. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tied up at the back. Use this multi-level clip in order to fasten it in its place. Take a section from the left side, twist it, insert it to the right side or add to the middle section and then do the same for the right side section of the clip. Take a section from the right side of the hair, twist it, insert it to the left side of the clip. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place at the top. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself and then make two ponytails out of the back section. Braid the hair at the back as such, roll it upwards after making two sections, pull one braid through the other and then make a bow shape out of it. Add a hair stick in order to make it stay in place. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Then make two ponytails out of the hair. Add a rubber band to the middle section and then roll the hair in on itself as such. Pull the ponytail through the top sections of the hair. Pull it through as such and then bring it together at the bottom and then fasten it upwards in place. Next, we will start off by taking the hair, tie it up into a ponytail. After you have tied it up into a ponytail, make a small gap by inserting your finger in place. Add a rubber band around it as such. After this, loosen it slightly. Add a rubber band to the top, twist it, roll the hair in on itself, and then gather it as such. Use a pin in order to fasten it in its place and then adjust the hair accordingly. Slightly divide the hair in two different sections, on one side upper and the lower as such. Once you do this, it should add more volume to the hair as such. Do this all throughout the hair as such until you have reached the other side. Then add a bow to the bottom of it as such, that is a decorative bow clip. Next, we will start off by taking the top section of the hair and make a braid out of it. Take the bottom section, divide it into two parts, wrap it around the braid, comb it together, and then add a rubber band to it. Next, roll the hair in on itself as such. After you have done this, braid the rest of the hair that is remaining and then roll it upwards and then fasten it in its place. Wrap the rest of the hair around it as such. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Add some decorative clips on top of this. Thank you for watching.